We have a list, we have a task here. Random. So we want to play with random. We have a list of numbers here, 1 to 7. We need to select a number at random from the list and remove it from that list. So that's the task. So let's write a function. If data list is if the list of number is empty, if not data list or non-lists, it should return none. Otherwise, it should find the random number random.randrange. So we're using randrange here instead of randint because randrange follows the indexing of Python. So let's do that. So use the length of list. So if you use randint now, randint will it will return a list of, or it will return a range of numbers that is inclusive of the length of the list or of whatever you're putting there, the range. So randrange follows the exact indexing in Python. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is excluded. So it's start from 0 to 6, matching the indexing in this list. So we need to select now. Selected number equals non-list dot pop random. So I think this is what we need to do. Let's return. Should we return selected number? Return non-list. Right. Rings. Nums. Let's see right there. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So it has removed 4. So let's print this one first. Print selected. So that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. So I think this one starts from 0. Let's try again. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's okay. Okay, this one removes 7. Okay. 3. This one removed 3. Removed 4. Removed 7. Removed 3. Removed 4. Removed 3 again. Removed 5. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something today. Happy coding, guys.